guys, and welcome back to the channel. All right, so today we are going for my son's sports day, but things we're not allowed to film there, we're not allowed to record them at all, so because they have policies. Well, here in the UK you need to obtain consent. We cannot film them. Anyway, myself and hello Daniel, say hello. Daniel, say hello.
Hello.
All right, so myself and Daniel are making our way over there, and baby girl is looking hot.
My
All right.
heart is beating.
Yeah. Okay. We would need it. See what? Sports day is over. We could not film because it's not allowed. But yeah, they're coming out now. Okay, Daniel, come and see Asha. Hello. I'm proud of you. See Asha, where are you going? Yes, let's go. I'm so proud of you. I saw you running. Go see Daddy.
Very fast. So are you gonna give me a present? Are you gonna give me a present?
Okay.
He's already negotiating. Are you going to give me a present? Let's go. Are you free to go home? I think we can go home now. All right, boys, let's go. Hold your brother's hand. Hold his hand, Daniel.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Please stop touching things.
Daddy, but like Daddy, but I want it to be the right color and this one. This one's gonna be for the beach, and the other one is for.
This one is cool. This one
Daddy, it should look.
Daniel, receive joy. I don't understand. Why are you so grumpy? Let's go, Asha. Keep up. This sun is doing me justice. I love this sun. See you when we get home, guys.
Yeah.
Finally back home. Yeah.
No, shark.
Go and pee. Mama, this is the season for Gary. Like Gary, like this. Gary, really shake. Today is a Monday. I'm going to work later today, but I want to get to somewhere in town just to submit one or two things. But today I'm just going out for a few minutes. Then I'm going to come back and do some other things. See, I don't feel like putting on any makeup. I just have my oil on my face and I think I'm ready to go. Okay, it's hot, but it's not that hot. It's sunny, but it's not that sun. Please, we've seen worse. I just got back, you guys. Okay, it was hot, but wasn't scorching hot. So it's like just like normal Nigerian song, and they are shouting. Like this is our typical. This is our typical song. Anyway, except for okay, yeah, the clothes I spread in the morning are completely dry now, and it's just past 1. So morning everyone. All right guys, so the previous day I had missed package. I got a package delivered to me and I missed the delivery, so the postman left me this slip, and that is what I'm using to come to the post office today to pick up my package just after my morning shift. Okay, so because they were unable to drop it with my neighbor as well, they just brought it back to the local post office, and that's why I had to go pick it up. My village people, this is how I put on my uniform in the public, because I wear this uniform with pride. This job I don't get ashamed from at all. All right, so on this particular day, I forgot to bring any form of ID with me. So I used my Monzo bank card, and that is always in my phone pouch. So I always have something to identify myself with, at least when I'm out and about. All right, so I picked up my package and then I made my way home. All right, guys, my package is picked up. I'm ready to go back home and sleep. See you guys when I get home. By the way, you guys, this cream has become rubbish, as in rubbish. This was what was inside that pack I went to get at the post office. It has become nonsense. It's not even what I ordered. The Amazon vendor is just doing nonsense. See, you guys, it's time to move on to another cream. This is the 3rd time I'm buying this product, and it is not what I know. It is not what I know at all. Anyway, you guys, later that night, I had to stay up, put the boys to bed on time, and stay up to make these videos for you guys. I mean, I shot 3 videos this night, and this was around 2:40 something a.m.
Hello everybody, and welcome
anyway,
back to the
that's our
channel.
time
My
here.
name
Goodbye,
is
guys.
Tola, and I'm welcoming you back to